Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we are in Greenville, and if you guys don't know, we just updated. So yeah, I have 85K and I have a few of the updates for, so we're going to be checking them all out. I'm not going to buy like these Impalas, none of those. I think they just added a new oh, Sheriff Classic. Oh, that's cool. But some of the bigger cars that are out are like the Roadster. They added the older Roadster. Um, so they have those. I hate this, the old Teslas, but they did add those. I will buy them. They're just cheaper Tesla. Like here, 28,000, 2,000, 57, which is a big difference from the 90. And this is the big part. Yeah, that's a Cybertruck. And one really neat thing, if you look on the picture before you click on it, you can see the bullet holes, which is actually really cool. From like when they in the reveal where they threw it at the glass and it wasn't supposed to break, but it kind of did. But they also did some stuff around with the Teslas. So yeah, I'll show you guys that later. Here I am going to buy the Civic. Sport, XL. I don't want to go to sport. I might leave it white. Yeah, I'm leaving it white. There, that's good. Buy that. I will show that a lot. Hmm. Uh, I'll show this one off too. The trims of the LT Midnight Edition, which I'm probably gonna get Premiere, and then LS. Get this one. So now all you beginners are probably going to be looking at buying this card. So, here I might as well buy this station wagon. I will. Just so I can show off a lot of the cars. So let's go show them off. And I don't want to go back in the dealer. And yes, it's just me. I'm in my private server, so let's start with the wagon. So yeah, here this is. Reverse lights, brake lights. We got turn signals. There, lights. So it doesn't. Let's go do a 0 to 100. Yeah, brake. It's actually faster than I thought it would be. Handling, it feels like a big old boat, as it obviously is. It handles like it really it handles like a big old boat. Jeez! Yeah, seeing it doesn't have the best thing on and stuff. My friend loves this thing, and I absolutely hate it. I don't know why. I don't like it. Just a big, bulky. Excuse me. But I'm gonna come around here, turn it around. So now let's go do a 0 to 100 and break this house. So why don't we? Going to always start the cars. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna rev up and then slam it into this door. Okay, that don't have a bad launch. It's not bad. I mean, it is kind of slow. Are we gonna make it to 100? I'm not gonna make it to 100. I don't think we are. Oh, we're just gonna make it to 100. And brakes. Are my brakes on instant? Oh, they're on smooth. So that's pretty good. That's good for smooth. So, let's spawn let's go with the Roadster next. I have the Roadster. This is my specific Roadster. It's the most expensive. It's $125, and the black truck, so it should be pretty quick. As you can see, yeah, so you should have no problem getting to 100. And the top speed is around 140, maybe higher. I don't know. Okay, let's check it out. So let's get ourselves lined up. And we're not really going to be able to do a full-on launch, because I'm not going to be able to put in sport as this is an electric car. Yeah, so it doesn't really do launches that well. It gets you 100 still very quickly. There's 100 miles an hour. And a lot better brakes than the old wagon. So that's good, and I'm just going to make it day. There we go. There's daytime. Let's do the 2017 Chevrolet Apex now. Oh shoot! I didn't do any lights on this. So I have the running lights, turn signals, and then the lights are actually like that. There you have the running lights, turn signals there, and brake lights. Oh, and reverse. Okay, now that's all done. Now I can go to the Apex. This does look to have running lights there. Let's do some signals. Those, and we have the lights. There. Have the rear tail lights, and have the running lights when the headlights on. So overall, it doesn't really have any LEDs, but this running light, which is still kind of impressive for its price. I paid $23,000 for this car, so it's not a bad beginning. So, yeah, let's go back down here. And then we can... What cars do I have for the update? Oh, yeah, I have the Model X, too. The Model X. And the... Do I have the refresh on the Model S? I don't know how did I do it. But, go. Yes, so this thing is a little bit slower. And I'm used to the Roadster, so that sounds pretty slow. It's not half bad. But try to get to 100. Actually, it's a lot worse than I thought. Are we gonna make it to 100? Oh yeah, we just barely made it to 100. Okay, so it's got decent brakes. I did hit the brakes a little early, so I left the brakes for a second there. So now, what is our next car that we have? Oh, okay. So, pass up the BMWs. Here, I don't really think I'm gonna do much with this, the Model Y, but here are the lights. I think I'm just don't really add anything to the Model Y. I don't really think it is. I'm just gonna leave the Model Y for right now. Let's go check out this. The lights. There are headlights. There are running lights, which are LEDs. And you have turn signals here, front. Now we also do have our running light, which is hard to see against the light, but I was in front wheel drive, and I think I remember. I don't know how to do it. There's somehow to do a front wheel drive burnout, so dang, those doing so nice. Okay, so this is going to be not our final car, because then I'm going to do the Model X. So, yeah. Imagine trying to do all these in the region. You know how long that would take? I'll just and guys, I'm also trying to figure out how to do stream. So when I might be doing one soon. I don't know. Okay, this thing's pretty. This one's better. This one's a lot better. It's got a bad tranny. I don't like the shift very fast at all. 100 and brakes. Ooh, that's pretty good. So we do all the lights, and now we are going to move on to the Model X. I have the long range trim. It looks, I don't know why they did this, but now it looks like the performance because it has the blacked out stuff here, and you can put the rims on there. So this is basically a performance, but it's actually not. So this has full LEDs on it because the old one didn't have this. It was different. This is the refresh Model X. Oh, turn on the hazards kit, and then there are all the things to move around. Brake lights, running lights, brake lights. Then you have the front headlights, and that's really all there is to say. And there's obviously no sound. You guys can't even hear it because I have computer audio off. So yeah, let's go see. So the top speed looks to be 128. But yeah, I like this Model X a lot. And this Model X only costs 90K. It's not even the performance. It looks like a performance. But yeah, this one should be pretty quick. Yeah. If your car's numbers jump. But this car should have a lot more torque, but it doesn't. I mean, anything. The brakes too. So yeah, that's gonna conclude it for today's video. Oh no! Oh no! There's one more thing. One more thing. We have to go check out the new Tesla building, and it'll just be fitting them taking their Model X. Oh god. But they did add refresh trims on the Model 3 if you guys would like to check that out. I don't really like the rims, so I sold that because anyway, I need some money to buy the Model X. So yeah, now I'm really poor. I only have 11K, and I did have 85K. So you guys are welcome for spending all my money. And yeah, I spent all my money for you guys. So yeah, coming in super duper hot, like really super duper hot. Here is the new Tesla store. Actually, in the thumbnail, they took the Cybertruck and they lined it up just like this. And that Model S is actually parked in there, like a prop car thing. So here is a new Tesla dealership. Nice little trash can. Tesla. I'm just gonna call it Tesla. Also, you got some rims here, some why go to Tesla, that kind of thing. And here is another one of these tricks. You can go in some buildings and you can get some of these. And then these are like actual light, which is actually kind of cool. Another trash bin over there, and then here's the Model S right here. It's a 2022 after the refresh. And I have the different colors here. Adventure electrified, zero emissions. Then you have the little back area here in the restroom. And I can't sit on the toilet, I see. Maybe I can? Can I sit on the toilet? Yeah. Drinking my coffee on the toilet. That's gonna conclude it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye guys.